It shouldn't be rocket science. At EduSmart, we believe in science instruction that's simple. We deliver clear and focused instruction that doesn't compete with your curriculum, but completes it. Written by Texas teachers for Texas teachers, EduSmart follows the 5E model and empowers both the seasoned pro and the part-time sub to impart meaningful, standards-aligned instruction every time. Reteach, provide enrichment, or even conduct intervention for STAAR with EduSmart's ready-to-go platform that is based on strong, inquiry-based pedagogy that uses real-world connections, rich visuals, and vocabulary support. Our flexible tools support diverse learners of all levels, needs, and language proficiencies. The rigor, challenging students to think deeply about science and make sense of it, not just memorize it. And with EduSmart, you're never on your own. EduSmart is proudly based here in Austin and has been supporting science instruction across Texas classrooms for nearly 20 years. We are your science partner. Simple, smart, teacher-centered. That's EduSmart.